In the United States, the pharmaceutical industry is an economic and political behemoth and is the most powerful player in the medical field. Currently, the pharmaceutical industry spends nearly $5 billion each year on advertising. As a result, Big Pharma has interjected itself as a major player in patient treatment by influencing perceptions about prescription drugs through advertisements. Unfortunately, the role of pharmaceutical advertisements in patient treatment is ethically dubious. It may cause doctors and patients to make health decisions not in the best interest of patient health. Therefore, because human health could be at the mercy of the truthfulness of these ads, pharmaceutical advertising presents an especially urgent area for analysis. In the 90s, the FDA deregulation of pharmaceutical advertising allowed pharmaceutical companies to pursue a new method of advertising known as direct-to-consumer advertising, or DTCA. Through DTCA, pharmaceutical companies began devoting more time to promoting their products rather than informing consumers of the negative side effects, exacerbating the ethical conflict between profit-seeking agenda of pharmaceutical companies and patient health. An example of the consequences of unethical and improper advertising can be seen with Vioxx, an osteoarthritis drug that resulted in nearly 140,000 cases of cardiovascular dysfunction due to the hasty and non-comprehensive direct-to-consumer advertising techniques that were used. To narrow the scope of my research, I targeted the birth control pill industry of the pharmaceutical market. Birth control pills are federally classified as lifestyle drugs, drugs that are designed to improve a person's quality of life by treating less serious conditions, but are not advertised as such. Birth control pills are advertised as drugs not only capable of stopping pregnancy, but also as drugs that were necessary for acne control, hormonal control, and cramping control, going against a federal classification. In addition, birth control pills have certain adverse medical side effects such as hormonal disorders, heart valve damage, and blood clots. However, studies have shown that despite being presented these adverse side effects through direct-to-consumer advertisements, a majority of women were still willing to take birth control pills. That is why it is important to study the role that direct-to-consumer advertising plays in eliciting such behavior patterns towards the consumption of birth control pills. In order to find out what parts of direct-to-consumer birth control pill advertisements are having the largest impact on viewers, I will study the 10 most popular ads and list a set of key characteristics presented in all the advertisements through a content analysis. After showing a group of people the advertisements, I will ask them to take a questionnaire. The questionnaire will be scale-based and will be key to understanding what characteristics of the advertisements resonated the most with viewers. After this, the results will be cross-examined with the true harms and benefits of birth control pills in order to ascertain the ethicality and truthfulness of the pharmaceutical advertisements. By funding this project, you will be helping the cause that is long overdue, stopping the economic behemoth that is the pharmaceutical industry from using unethical practices. Because my methodology is replicable, similar research can be conducted that targets other areas of the pharmaceutical industry. Ultimately, your money will help catalyze a change in the medical industry. Together, we can stop the pharmaceutical industry from dominating the medical field by discovering its possibly unethical pharmaceutical advertising practices. Thank you.